If you guys create content and you post on multiple platforms and you're doing it one by one platform at a time, let me show you an AI tool that you can use that I personally use that I just post one time and it pushes it to all of the platforms that I post to. Also, let me say this because I've brought this up a couple of times. This isn't an ad. I'm not affiliated with this company. If I were going to sell out, it's not going to be for a $20 a month AI program. So I'll just leave it at that. Do your own research, use what you want. But I've used this program for 3 years on my lending side with my social media there. I've also used it for my AI channel. Now, I've actually used it from day one on my AI channel, and I grew my YouTube to over 300 subscribers, and Instagram is now over 1,500. And all I do is post on TikTok. So the program is right here. It's called Repurpose.io. Let me just verify. I'm going to check the settings here. So here's the billing on it. This is what it is. If you do, I just do $35 a month. I thought it was 20, whatever. It saves me a bunch of time. So you can do this if you have 10 accounts or 25 accounts. That's pretty much why it scales. I only have 2 accounts, my lending one and then this one. So this is the pricing. If you do annual, it's of course different. It's a little bit cheaper, but I just do it by the month. But as you can see right here, this is kind of how the setup goes. So I'm gonna start kind of here in the middle. So you see it pops up, it says at your next lender. That's my TikTok account. So I repurpose stuff like old videos I've made, I republish it. So that's why this shows to TikTok, because sometimes I will come in here and schedule things out for later dates to just post automated. I don't do that on my AI channel, which are these two right here. But essentially, this is what it is. If we look at the top, Aaron and AI on TikTok, when I post here, it posts to Aaron and AI on Instagram. When I do Aaron and AI on TikTok, it goes to Automate with Aaron, which is my YouTube that you guys are watching this on, or you're actually probably watching it on all platforms, but it will then send it over to either shorts or long form video, depending on the length of the video. So here's the things you can do. It's already set up to where if I click view workflow, when I go in and post a video on TikTok, it says right here, the next time you upload content on TikTok, it will automatically be published to Instagram within 2 hours. Instagram Reel support videos up to 15 minutes. So I don't actually do anything to specialize on Instagram. I don't really care about the titles too much on Instagram for shorts or for reels. I just let it automate it and do it. It's the same thing with YouTube. I don't spend much time on YouTube, but the one thing you can do on there, which is helpful, and it's a YouTube specific thing, is when you're in here, it'll say next time you upload, it'll automatically publish to YouTube within 2 hours. You can come into the settings over here. And when you get in here, you can actually set your tags. So that's the big thing with YouTube. You have to have the tags. These are my channel tags. So anytime a video gets posted on my AI channel with AI tags, it should be hitting the AI market or people on YouTube that I'm trying to reach. I don't check this box because TikTok only allows for 5 hashtags now. That means my tags would only be 5. It's not going to reach a big enough audience, or I would be missing out based on what YouTube has. But this is just kind of a quick overview of what you can do. And like I said, I have my lending channel and my AI channel all set up to auto publish. And all I do is publish on TikTok. The only time I actually do something direct on YouTube is if I'm doing a specific YouTube long form video like this one here, explaining stuff. Then I go in and do my thumbnail and do all of the YouTube stuff like that. Otherwise, every single platform that I am on as a entrepreneur, I just post on TikTok and it pushes it there. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, follow on whatever platform you're seeing this on, and we'll see you guys on the next video.